Hey everyone, Jeff Sarr from The Practical Drummer here. I want to show you a groove in 7/4 today. 7/4 is not a place that we usually play, but it's fun to practice, and maybe even if you have a song that you're creating, or if you're playing in 7/4, this might be kind of a cool, uh, addition to it. So it's fun to play in odd time signatures. So in this case, I'm going to make it very simple. It's a bar of 4/4 plus a bar of 3/4, okay? And the snare drum is on 2 and 4 on the first, on the 4/4 measure, and then on the 2 in the 3/4 measure, okay? So basically I'm going to show you a different ride pattern, and then I'm going to show you a fill. But here's just the quarter notes on left foot. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1 and 2 and 3. So you can see there's nothing on, you lop it off because it's a bar of 3. So 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3. So that's it. Basically, what I want to do with the ride is create a kind of different pattern. So I have eighth notes, 1 and 2 and 3. So the first is just eighth notes. But then when I get to the 3, I want to go 3E and a 4E and. So broken paradiddle. Kind of like Neil Peart. 1E and a 2E, 3E and a 4E and, okay? And then I want to replicate that going into the beat 1 and beat 2 of the 3/4 measure. So then it would go, so it's 1 and 2 and 3 and a 3 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 1 and 2 and 3. Basically, that's the groove. I'm going to add some other bass drums to accent some of the notes that I'm hitting on the cymbal, like some does, 1, 2. I'll bring it up to speed a little bit. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so you saw that I added an and of 3 there on the snare, which would be kind of cool on the first time through. But then I stopped because I wanted to show you that the snare is only on 2, 4, and then 2. Okay, the fill I want to show you is pretty simple, and I want to show you it's in the first measure in the 4/4. It's 1E and then I'm going to go 2E and 3E and 4E. Okay, so it's, and then I'm going to do in the 3/4, I'm going to do a 4/3 pattern, and it's right hand lead, 1E and 2E and 3E and back to the groove. So that fill would be to the left foot going on quarter notes. Basically, that's it slowed down. So right hand lead is just the accents you're filling in the left hand on ghost notes, usually with a couple notes. So it's 1E and 2E and 3E and 1. So it's a natural polyrhythm in 3/4. That's why I'm using it. Okay, so it's 4 beats over 3 quarter notes. Okay, 1 E and 2 to the quarter note, you got to really sync this up. 1 E and a 2 E and a 3 E and a 1 E and a 2 E, a 3 E and a 1. Okay, up to speed. Speed 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So there you have it, a nice little 7/4 groove with some fill ideas. I'll show you some more of these. Sounds pretty cool. Again, I'm thinking about it in 4/4 and 3/4, so it's easy for the brain to figure it out. You just got to kind of keep track of the quarter notes. That's why I play my left foot usually on the left quarter note, because I'm counting. I know what 4/4 feels like, I know what 3/4 feels like. And I'm showing you a couple fill variations. There's hundreds and thousands of different things you can do, but you got to experiment, okay? So I've shown you some right hand leading here, I've shown you hand-foot combinations, and the sky's the limit. So we'll see you next time.